Mobile farm machinery repair business, Sunshine Coast. The current owner established this mobile business and has been servicing customers around the Sunshine Coast for over 35 years. Mainly working as a sole operator, he covers repairs to farm machinery and tractors, including hydraulics, electrical, fabrication, and welding. The sale includes a 2015 Colorado LTZ with just 75,000 kilometers on the clock, plus a tool trailer. The business boasts excellent referrals from customers who are mostly farmers and hobby farmers. A new owner might wish to expand the business by advertising and employing more staff. This is an opportunity to be your own boss with flexible hours and would suit a diesel fitter and fabricator. 2 weeks handover period is also included, with an option to negotiate further support. This COVID-proof business offers the opportunity to enjoy a fabulous coastal lifestyle in beautiful Queensland.